Good morning, ma'am. This is Pizza Hut.
A very warm good morning, sir. Yes, it is. And welcome to our Pizza Hut. This is me, Shalu Sharma, speaking. How can I help you, sir?
Uh, I would like to order a pizza for my home delivery.
Sure. Can I have your name or a contact number?
My name is Son Nisat, and my contact number is 63948674746.
Thank you, Mr. Sonu. May I have your delivery address?
My house number is 12, and my address is Moripur near Nisat Chowk.
Got it. What would you like to order today?
I would like to order a pizza with extra cheese.
Okay. What would you like to classic crust or a thin crust?
I will go with classic crust.
Perfect. Would you like to add any topping? We have a option like onion, mushroom, paneer, and olive.
Yes, please add mushroom and olive also.
Sure. So that's one medium pizza with extra cheese and mushroom, olive. Anything else, sir?
Yes, I also add a garlic bread and 5 ml bottle of Coke.
Great choice. Would you like to add any dessert? We have a chocolava cake and brownie delight today.
No, thank you. That's all for now.
What would you like to pay, online or cash on delivery?
I will go with cash on delivery.
No problem, Mr. Sonu. Your order has been placed. Thank you for choosing Pizza Hut. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much, man.